Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have another Colourpop video. I swear every time that I'm gonna film another video, something new shows up at my doorstep from Colourpop, and I just get so excited when Colourpop launches new stuff that I'm like, alright, I need to film with it. It actually just launched this morning. This is the brand new Colourpop Blue Moon palette. Guys, are we seeing this? It's a full blue palette. This is just like all their other little 9-pan palettes, which are actually my favorite palettes from Colourpop. I love them. I think it just has to do with me loving monochromatic looks. I love having all the shades just like in one palette. So it's $12 just like all their other little 9-pan palettes. I know that all of these little 9-pan palettes are like really like color by color and stuff, you know, but I need them to come out with a palette like this that is rainbow. I've like asked them like so many times already. I'm like, please make a rainbow palette, like you need to, because you imagine if Colourpop did a rainbow palette, it would be iconic. They need to do it. Anyways, that's besides the point. So like I said, $12. It's 9 pans. I'll insert swatches somewhere in the video right here. There are 5 mattes and then 4 shimmers in this palette, which I will always appreciate a palette that has more mattes than shimmers. I don't know why, I just would rather have more matte shades and stuff, and I love that there's enough matte shades to do an entire look, like to use as a transition, a deepening shade and stuff like that. This is a look that I created today. I'm going to do a little tutorial using the palette. I will leave a link for the palette down below. It's already available, so it's already on the website. Also list down below what else I'm wearing on my face, because I just do my eyes in this video. So I'm just really happy that there's an affordable blue eyeshadow palette, just a blue eyeshadow palette in general that's not from a problematic ass brand. So thanks, Colourpop. Anyways, that's pretty much it. So if you guys want to see how to get this look right here using the brand new Colourpop Blue Moon palette, then just keep watching. Okay, so my eyes are already primed and set. I kind of have an idea of what I want to do, but not like completely yet. But we're going to go into this beautiful palette right here. I am so excited. I have been wanting an all blue palette for so long now. So I'm going to start off with the shade Moonlight. Yeah, Moonlight. It is like a pretty pastel blue. It matches like the packaging. I love it. I'm gonna pack this on. Ooh. Okay. Nice like transition shade for any blue, honestly. I really like that. I'm just packing where I want the shadow and then blending out. I think I'm gonna do a halo eye. That is just the vibes that I'm getting today. So just packing on. This is how I find that I get the most color payoff this way, is just really packing on the eyeshadow and then blending. This color is giving me I forgot her name, but the girl from the Drew Carey show. That's exactly what this eyeshadow looks like, and I love it. Pretty impressed with how pigmented this shadow is though. Like usually these kind of colors aren't that pigmented. Next I'm going to go into the shade Starry Eyed, and it's pretty much just almost like the same color but a little bit more deeper, but it's still a light blue. But I'm just gonna put this a little bit lower into the crease. Ooh, that's a nice shade. Oh my god, that is so pigmented. It's so pretty. Just placing this right into the crease and starting to go into the inner and outer corners to kind of start that halo eye. Color is so pigmented. I am so shocked. I don't know, I feel like blue shadows are really hard to make. I haven't had like the best experience with a lot of blue shadows, so this one, she kind of snapped. So I'm going into Fine China, and it's like more of like almost a cobalt blue almost. And I'm placing that on the inner corner and the outer corner. And then with whatever's left on the brush, bringing that into the crease. And this is just the Time 206 brush. My favorite brush. If you like doing halo eyes, you need this brush in your life. Back with this fluffy brush that I was using earlier. I'm gonna take Starry Eyed and blend this blue shade out. I'm going into like a smaller blending brush, and I'm taking the shade Clued In. It's like a navy blue, and I'm gonna deepen the inner and outer corner. It's just gonna add some depth and really create the halo eye. I'm going back with the Time 206 to blend that out. I'm just gonna take the Time 206 and go in with Clued In because I feel like that will pack on the shade a little bit more. Yeah, in that color like really in the inner and outer corner because it's gonna give you that really like sunken in, not sunken in, but deeper depth effect. Honestly debating like if I'm gonna do a like halo cut crease or just kind of put that shade, kind of how that Kim Kardashian halo eye that's kind of going around right now that she had for the Met Gala, that kind of look. I used to do halo eyes like that all the time because I didn't know how to do a cut crease back then. So I kind of want to do that. Take my e.l.f. Camo concealer because it's pretty light, and I'm gonna just put that in the center of my lid. Oh, I'm just closing my eye with a flat brush. This is a Makeup Shack. Doesn't have a number, but it's a Makeup Shack brush. And I think I'm gonna pull this all the way up. Going into the crease a little bit. That. And I'm taking some of my NYX pigment primer that I always use. I'm gonna put that where we put the concealer just to really have that shadow stick. I'm taking Tide Pool, which is this shade right here. It's like a really pretty ocean blue. And I'm gonna put that in the center. Oh my god. Putting that in the center. Wow, that is... I'm like speechless. I'm gonna wet it a little bit just to see how it looks wet. Oh my god, this shade is literally so pretty. Taking it pretty high up just so like when I look straight you can still see it. Wow, that is pretty. I'm going back with the Time 206 to blend the edges of that. And just did this eye really quick. I just used a makeup wipe to like clean up any fallout. And it's like so heavily scented that like now my eyes are all like irritated. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and move on. Take the shade Lumi, which it's like this icy blue shade, and I'm gonna put that right in the center on top of that shade we put in the center. So I'm taking it on like a little tiny brush, and I am gonna wet this just so it's a little bit more intense. And I'm just gonna put that right in the center. Ooh. Oh my gosh. So this is gonna be like a little spotlight. Wow, that is stunning. I'm just kind of packing this on. I'm obsessed, you guys. This is so pretty. Center spotlight shade really does make like such a difference. Look at how freaking pretty that is. Oh my god, I feel like I've done a look that looks just like this before, but I don't even care because it is so pretty. Oh my gosh. So I'm back with the Time 206 to blend everything together. I'll go ahead and do the rest of my face, and then I'll come back and do the lower lash line and mascara because Colourpop does have a blue mascara and I want to use it. So I'll be right back. So I'm currently baking, but we're gonna move on to the lower lash line. I'm gonna use the Colourpop cream gel liner in the shade TREENZ. It's like a periwinkle. Mascara is a little darker, so I kind of want the contrast of like a brighter blue against the darker blue. So I'm just gonna put this, see how it looks first. My eyes have been so sensitive. My allergies are like terrible right now. I like that in the waterline because it's nice and bright. It looks really pretty. So I'm gonna take Fine China, which was that cobalt blue almost, and put that right at the lash line. The contrast of like that shadow against the liner looks really pretty. Blend that out with Starry Eyed. My Time 204 brush, you guys know I like this brush to kind of just smoke everything out. I'm just going around the edges so everything is just nice and seamless. I'm taking Starry Eyed on this brush just a little bit. I'm back with the liner just in case any of the shadow kind of got on top of it, so it's nice and vibrant. Taking the regular black mascara on my top lashes. I'm gonna put lashes on, but just for my top lashes I'm putting the regular one on. This is what is it, black on black. And then for my lower lashes, I'm taking the Blue Your Mind mascara. This one is like a cobalt blue, so hopefully it looks good. It looks fine. It's not like the same blue, which bothers me sometimes, but it doesn't look too different. I can't really tell, like, once it's on your lashes, it kind of just all looks cohesive. I love this mascara. It's my favorite one, I think, out of all of the BFF mascaras. Inner corner, I'm gonna take that Lumi shade because I'm obsessed with it. You guys see that? Oh my god. I love that. I'm gonna go ahead and put lashes on, do my lips, highlight, all that stuff, and then I'll come back and give you guys my final thoughts on this palette. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I just went with a nude lip. This is the Colourpop Ultra Matte Sunny Side. It's really pretty. I didn't think I was gonna like this one, but it actually looks really good with this eye look. It's not too much. So let me just give you my final thoughts on this palette, even though I'm pretty sure you guys can already tell what I'm gonna say. I love it. It is so good. I love her little 9-pan monochromatic palettes. You guys know I'm all about monochromatic everything. I always match my makeup to my clothes and even lips. I was gonna wear a blue lip. I'm not going to, even though I really want to, but I wanted to keep it simple and really focus on the eyes since this is like an eye palette video, you know. For 12 bucks, you cannot go wrong. It is bomb. Do you guys see this look? Like, I'm obsessed with it. It is so pigmented, so vibrant. Like, just the colors are just so beautiful. The eyeshadows I feel like are so hard to find. Like, a lot of them suck, and this one, it really does it for me. So if you guys have been looking for like a blue palette, I definitely recommend this one. Also, I really love the font of it. I just love the color of the packaging. Everything is so cute. So yeah, I really do recommend it. Anyways, I hope that you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.